Picture this. A queen crowned at 6 days old, thrust into a world of political turmoil and personal tragedy. This is the story of Mary, Queen of Scots. Born to James V of Scotland and Mary of Guise in December 1542, Mary ascended to the throne before she had even learned to walk. Her reign was a whirlwind of political and religious struggles as Catholics and Protestants clashed in a fight for control. Mary's personal life was no less complicated. Her first marriage to Francis II of France ended with his untimely death. She then wed Henry Stuart, Lord Darnley, a union marred by discord and ultimately his suspicious demise in 1567. This tragedy led to Mary's forced abdication in favor of her son, James VI. Mary's life was marked by chaos and conflict, but her story does not end with her abdication. After her forced abdication, Mary sought refuge in England, unknowingly setting the stage for a political powder keg. Finding herself on English soil, Mary became the center of Catholic plots against Queen Elizabeth. She was the perfect pawn in the chessboard of power, a Catholic monarch with a legitimate claim to the English throne. One such plot, known as the Babington Plot, implicated Mary in a conspiracy to assassinate Elizabeth and place Mary herself on the throne. Now it was Elizabeth's spymaster, Sir Francis Walsingham, who uncovered this plot. This led to Mary's arrest in the year of our Lord, 1586. Mary was tried and found guilty of treason. Elizabeth, however, hesitated to sign Mary's death warrant. She recognized the potential political repercussions of executing a queen, but the discovery of a letter seemingly penned by Mary sanctioning the assassination plot swayed Elizabeth to reluctantly sign the warrant. On a cold day in February 1587, Mary Queen of Scots was executed at Fotheringhay Castle in Northamptonshire. She faced her death with dignity, reciting prayers and forgiving her executioners. It took the executioner 3 strikes to complete the beheading, a gruesome end to a life marked by tragedy. Mary's execution sent shockwaves across Europe. It strained the relationship between England and Spain, with King Philip II viewing Mary as a martyr for the Catholic cause. The execution of Mary Queen of Scots played a significant role in the complex web of European politics and religious conflicts of the time. Mary's life was a saga of political turmoil and personal tragedy, but her death had an even greater impact on the political and religious landscape of Europe. As we reflect on her life and legacy, we can't help but marvel at the intricate ways in which her story is woven into the tapestry of European history.